Hi, I am Islam from Daffodil International University. Today I am going to talk about algorithm. As you can see, I have some game collection, but they are unsorted. One of my friends wants to visit my home today. I want this to be sorted alphabetically before he came. So the question is, how could I do that faster? Let's find out. I am taking the first character from each of these games and putting them into the boxes. Okay, we have the list now. Let's check out my first ninja technique. First round. I will compare these two boxes. Are they in the correct position? It looks like they aren't. Since D should come after B, so I am going to swap them. Second round. I will move on a step forward. Basically, for each round, I will move on a step forward and compare two boxes each time. If they are on the correct position, then I will leave them as it is. Otherwise, I will swap them. Okay, we just complete our first chapter. Now is the time for second chapter. We have complete the second chapter as well. Now this is the time for third chapter. What we did, this is known as bubble sort. We just make 11 comparison. If on comparison take 5 seconds, then it will take 55 seconds to make our game collection become sorted. Now let's check out my second ninja technique. What we are going to do now is we will take any random box from this list and pick it up. We will do the same thing until we left with two boxes. Every box that should came before picked up box, we will put them into the left side, and every box that should come after our pick up box, we will put them into the right side. With this technique, we have to require to make less comparison. Since we do not have to compare the left side boxes with the right side boxes, we will choose another box and pick it up and do the same thing as before. Okay, we left with two boxes each side. On the left side, we have to make swap. Now, just put the picked up box on the list. You can see we just make our game collection sorted once again. Let's the game collection become sorted as well. Okay, so far so good. We have been seeing some examples. Let us see some theory now. An algorithm is a series of instructions to solve a problem or perform a task. A typical example of an algorithm is a recipe which consists of a specific dish meal preparation instruction. Every computerized system performs its function using algorithms. Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi, he is the father of algorithm. The name algorithm comes from his name al-Khawarizmi. Here is a pseudocode for bubble sort. We will see the same algorithm implementation using three programming languages. As we can assume now, the logic remains same, but the implementation is varied depending on the programming language. Algorithm is everywhere in our modern world. Without the algorithm, we cannot think our modern world that exists today.